This is why KOJO and HABBYFOREX are cooking KENE on X. In fact, KOJO and HABBYFOREX are cooking KENE back to back here and there. All right. So, guys, in this particular video, I'm going to break it down to you for you to know why these two guys are cooking KENE like that. All right. So, guys, this is how the thing started. All right. KENE made a tweet, or he had an argument with KOJO that his daily profit can buy that of KOJO's mansion, and then his cars. All right, his daily profit can buy all of those KOJO's properties. All right, and this interesting thing just happened. All right, yesterday I was on X, and then KOJO made some tweets which was very crazy. All right, so guys, this story is very interesting, so make sure you watch this particular video up to the end. All right, and if today happens to be your first time on my YouTube channel, I'm HABBYFOREX. I document my life as a forex trader on my YouTube channel here, and I also blog about forex trading. All right, what is going on in the forex industry. All right, I also blog about it on my YouTube channel right here. So guys, if you subscribe, like this video that you are watching, share this video to your friends so that your friends can also benefit from this video. All right, so let's get into the video. This is how it started. All right, you know, KENE used to manage people's account. All right, KENE used to manage people's account. Upon my research that I've done about KENE's, KENE's used to manage people's accounts. All right, and then share the profit that you make on the account. All right, so let's say if you give KENE's $20,000, he will just trade the $20,000 account, and then the profit that KENE will make on the account, he will just share the profit with the owner of the account. All right, so that's what KENE sometimes used to do. All right, so KENE was managing someone $15,000. all right, KENE was managing someone $15,000, and this is why KOJO and HABBYFOREX are cooking KENE like that. All right, so let me tell you why. KENE just blew up the $15,000. all right, and KENE just blew up the $15,000 account which he's trading. All right, or which he's managing. All right, so yesterday KOJO started this cooking on X. All right, he started cooking KENE, and this was very terrible. All right, as KOJO started cooking KENE, HABBYFOREX also joined, and they started cooking KENE back to back. All right, so as you can see some of the screenshot of what KOJO was tweeting about on Twitter. All right, so as you can see on the screen, KOJO made this post yesterday. He started mocking on this KENE trader. All right, just started teasing him. All right, here and there, making a post on Twitter here and there, which he was actually talking to KENE the trader. All right, he was saying some people's forex guru have blown someone account, and look at some of the tweets that KOJO made on Twitter, and also the KENE who also claims to be the best trader in the Africa. All right, so let me show you this particular video that KENE grants some interview, and he was claiming that he is the best trader, or he is the best forex trader in Africa. All right, watch this particular video.
One of the things I can see, and I can say it bold in front of camera, is that when it comes to accountability within the entire forex Nigerian space, accountability in terms of say bring your record, make we see, I don't think anybody is as transparent as me. Other people can come out and say I made so $1,000, then maybe they'll drop a screenshot or show a video. But KENE School will show you the process. People have always said, oh, KENE School makes money through mentorship. Go to Twitter and search my handle. Check the last time I advertised mentorship. For you to be called the best in what you do, your results will have to speak. Not money you are managing. I'm talking about your actual money. The first one I made $1.2 million, second one 1.2, third 1.2, that's $3.6 million. Achieving what I achieved in terms of profit margin, I told you nobody has achieved that. Yeah. Not in Nigeria. Sub-Saharan Africa. There are two different things. Some people can say, oh, one, I just shout for the sake of noise.
If I am to ask you that in terms of actual trading, do you think you are the number one?
I feel like I'm the best they can ever be. Everything about me is 001. I'm the one of the 001, you know. You are the videos about the even price.
So this was the video that KENE was claiming that he's the biggest, or he's the best forex trader in Africa, right? When you come to Africa, no one can compare himself to him, all right? So this was the video, right? And this KENE, he's the reason why KOJO and then HABBYFOREX is cooking him like that, all right? We know we are all in the forex industry. Sometimes we lose and then we also win trades, all right? But don't go too far to the extent that you will say the whole of Africa you are the biggest forex trader. If you are a forex trader, if you're a beginner forex trader like me, I know people are going to come into my comment section and then start cooking me as well. Let me cook myself before you come and then cook me in my comment section, all right? Me, as I did right now, let me tell you, I don't have nothing. I don't have shishi. I don't even, my net worth is just $1. Let me show you. This is my net worth. Let me show you my net worth. This is my net worth, $1. So I don't have nothing. I'm just I'm just trying to let you know what is going on in the forex market, all right? So KENE granted that interview and he was like he's the best forex trader in the Africa, right? And this same KENE just blown someone account, all right? Just blown someone $15,000 account just like that, all right? So guys, if you are doing something and I know this KENE trader is he's very profitable trader. He makes money in the forex market. I'm not criticizing on him that he's not he don't know how to trade or something like that. No, he's a trader. He makes money. But according to how this guy just the way he posed himself that he's a bigger the best and then the best forex trader ever in Africa, that's why these guys are cooking him like that. He's a very profitable trader who makes money in the market, all right? So I'm not criticizing on him, or just I'm not just saying he don't know how to trade or something like that. No, that's not the issue here. I'm just letting you know what is going on in the forex industry right now, right? As KOJO and HABBYFOREX are cooking KENE, all right? So thank you for watching this video. Peace.